Good morning, students. Previous class we will learn about the states of matter, second lesson. Yes or no? Very good. Are you understand the states of matter lesson? Very good. Sir, I ask some few questions. Okay, you can say the answer. Huh? Okay. So the states of matter divided in the how many types? Very good. 3 types. There are solid, liquid, gas. Okay. Very good. The solid example: stone, book, okay, pencil, chalk piece, table, chair, chocolate, cake. Okay, that is a solid example. Okay, then liquid example: very good, water, juice, milk, kerosene, okay, oil. That is the example of liquid. Okay, the gas is a gas example. Very good, cloud, smoke, okay, spray. This is the example of gas. Would you understand the example of solid, liquid, gas? Very good. Okay, then definitions of solid. The definition of solid. The definition of solid: have mass, occupy space, okay, definite shape. Would you understand? Very good. Then liquid definition. Same. The liquid have a mass, occupy space, and no definite shape. Okay. The liquids are move one place into another place. Is a very good. Then third one is gas. The gas is, okay, same. Have mass, occupy space, and no definite shape. Freely move all directions. Is very good. Okay. The next one is the changing states of matter. The changing states of matter in divided in how many types? 4 types. Okay, there are melting, evaporation, freezing, condensation. Do you understand? Very good. Okay, the next see the next topic, materials used. Okay, materials used, I mean the fuels. Okay, the fuels are divided in the 3 types. How many types? 3 types. There are solid fuel, liquid fuel, gas fuel. Do you understand? Very good. The solid fuel example: coal, okay, charcoal, cow jack, wood, or example of solid fuels. Okay. The next one, the liquid fuels example: kerosene, petrol, or liquid fuels example. Okay, the third one is the gas fuels. So the gas fuels example: gobar gas, okay, the LPG gas. That is the example of the gas fuels. Or you understand the states of matter lesson? Very good. Next see the new lesson. Next see the new lesson. Okay, the lesson name are force. The lesson name are force. Okay, so the force spelling, third lesson, force. Force spelling: F-O-R-C-E, force. Okay, so the force spelling: F-O-R-C-E, force. Okay, say once again the force spelling: F-O-R-C-E, force. Oh, you understand? Okay. The next one, force. Say once again only say the force spelling: F-O-R-C-E, force. Write 2 types of force spelling. Okay, right? 2 times force spelling. Okay. Then you learn new topic. Okay, the force lesson you will learn new topic. Okay, the topic name is simple movements and action. Simple movement and action. Okay, shall I write? Okay, see the board and say the spelling with me. Okay. Okay, say force spelling once again. F-O-R-C-E, force. Okay, now I write the topic name. Okay, see the board. Simple spelling: S Okay, say once again spelling S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Okay, simple movements. Okay, movements. Say the movement spelling M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S. Movements. Okay, say the movement spelling move. M-O-V-E. Movements. M-E-N-T-S. Ments. Movements. Okay, say listen. Say spelling M-O-V-E. Movements. M-E-N-T-S. Ments. Movements. Okay, the two syllabic word. Okay, the movements they are two syllabic word. The movements. Okay, say once again the movement spelling M-O-V-E. Movements. M-E-N-T-S. Movements. And A-N-D. And. Say and spelling A-N-D. And. Actions. Say the action spelling A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. Okay, action spelling A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. N-S. Actions. Okay, say the lesson topic. The first topic name is simple movements and actions. So once again spelling with me. Okay, simple S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple movements M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S. Movements. And A-N-D. And actions A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. Okay, very good. Okay, in our daily life, we do different actions. Yes or no? In our daily life, we do different actions. Yes or no? Such as pushing or pulling, okay, or turning. Anyone actions you do in our daily life. Yes or no? Okay. The morning time, you open the door. Open the door. Yes or no? Then at night time, you close the door. Yes or no? That is action. That is called action. That is called actions. Or you understand? Very good. So list out the name. We do it. We do it the actions. Okay. So in our daily life we do dancing, playing football, Okay. The next one, cycling. Very important one. You are doing in our daily life. Cycling. Cycling. The next one, swing. Yes or no? The actions are we do in our daily life. Yes or no? Seesaw. You playing seesaw. Jumping with your friends. Jumping with your friends. Yes or no? This is the action. The next one is the skipping. Skipping rope. Next one is the skipping rope. Yes or no? This is the actions and movements and actions. Yes or no? Very good. So dancing with your friends. Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good. The next one is playing football. Cycling, swing, seesaw, jumping. Yes or no? The skipping rope. Okay. In our daily life, you are playing with your friends. Okay. Say once again the spelling with the dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. So dancing spelling Playing football. So playing spelling P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Football. F-O-O-T. Foot. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Football. The third one is cycling. So cycling spelling C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. Okay, cycling spelling C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. Yes or no? Very good. Then fourth one is swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Then fifth one, Caesar. S-C-E-S-A-W. Caesar. The next one, sixth one is the jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. Then seventh one, skipping rope. Skipping rope. So skipping spelling S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. Do you understand? Very good. In our daily life, we do many different actions, okay, such as pushing or pulling or cheering, turning, anyone. Okay, by doing this action, we move or change the shape of an object. Shape of an object. Do you understand? Very good. So, I write some movement and actions. I write some movements and actions. Do you understand? Say once again. Dancing, playing football, cycling, swing, Caesar, jumping, and skipping rope. Skipping rope. Do you understand? Okay. Then next I write the one example. You say there is a movement or action. You say movement or action. Okay. The player. First example. The player hit the ball. The player hit the ball with hockey stick. With hockey stick. Do you understand? Very good. Okay. First example. The player. First example. The player hits. The player hits. The player hits the ball. The player hits the ball with hockey stick. The player hit the ball with hockey stick. Okay, the hockey spelling H-O-C-K-E-Y-S. Hockey stick. Stick spelling S-T-I-C-K. Stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. I say the first example. I say the player hits the ball with hockey stick. Okay, the second one. The second example. Okay, boys are riding bicycle. Boys are riding. Okay, riding bicycle. Okay, riding bicycle. Are you understand? These are two examples. You can say which word is movement, which word is action. Are you understand? So what is mean by is the movement? Okay, what is mean by is movement? Okay, the two more questions. So what is mean by movement? Okay, so what is mean by movement? Change in position of an object is called movement. Okay, I write. Listen, I write the board. Listen the board. Okay, you listen the board. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Okay, change of position. Say change in position. Change in position. Same spelling. Change in position. P-O-S-I. Position. T-I-O-N. Position. Okay, listen. Change in position of an object. Of an object. Of an object. Of an object is called movement. Is called movement. Okay. Is called. So called spelling C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Called spelling C-A-L-L-E-D. Called movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S. Movements. Okay. So listen. Say once again the movement spelling M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. Movement. So what is mean by the movement? Change in position of an object is called movement. Okay, definition of movement. Change in position of an object is called movement. Okay, so I read the spelling. Okay, you say with me the spelling. Okay, so change spelling. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Okay, says change spelling. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. In. I-N-in. Position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position. Are you understand? Position spelling. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position of. O-F. Of. An. A-N. Object. O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. Is. I-S. Is. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S. Movements. Are you understand? So what is mean by the movement? Changing position of an object is called movement. Okay, say with me. Changing position of an object is called movement. So what is mean by the object? Say, what is mean by the object? Object means things. Object means things, any things. Okay, object means things. Or you understand? Object means things, any things. Okay, what you understand? So what is mean by the movement? Changing position of an object is called movement. Or you understand the movement definition? Very good. Okay, so the movement spelling M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. Movement. Or you understand? So what is mean by the movement? Changing position of an object is called movement. Next see actions. Next one actions. That's an action spelling A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. Next one is the actions. So what is mean by these actions? What is mean by this actions? Okay. So write two times the action spelling. Okay. Action spelling. Write two times. A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. Okay. Action spelling. A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. So what is mean by the actions? So what is mean by the actions? Action is the motion which give the required result. Required result. Okay. So I write the action definition. Okay. See the board. Okay. Say spelling with me. Okay. Action spelling. A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. So action spelling A-C-T-I-O-N. Action is the motion. Action is the motion. Action is the motion. So motion spelling M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. So motion spelling M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. So action is the motion. Action is the motion which spelling W-I-C-H. Which. Okay. Say which spelling W-H-I-C-H. Which gives. Which gives. Gives spelling G-I-V-E-S. Gives. Which gives the spelling T-H. The. Required. Required spelling R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-D. Required. Required spelling R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-D. Required. Result. Result spelling R-E-S-U-L-T. Result. You understand? Okay, this is the definition of action. Okay, this is the definition of action. So what is mean by this action? Action is the motion which gives the required result. Okay, so say spelling with me action. A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. Action. Okay, is. I-S is. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. Motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Gives. G-I-V-E-S. Gives. Okay, say gives spelling G-I-V-E-S. Gives. The. T-H-E. The. Required. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-D. Required. Result. R-E-S-U-L-T. Result. Or you understand? So what is mean by this action? Very good. Say with me. Action definition. Action is the motion. Say action is the motion. Action is the motion which gives the required. Which gives the required. Which gives the required result. Result. Okay. So action is the motion which gives the required result. This is definition of action. Say definition of movement. Say one second definition of movement. Changing position of an object is called movement. So what is this? A definition of action. Very good. Action is the motion which gives the required result. Required result. Or you understand the definition of motion and action? Okay. You say, okay. You say, which is the action? Which is the motion? Okay. The first example, the player hit the ball. The player hit the ball with hockey sticks. Okay, second example, boys are riding bicycle. Boys are riding bicycle. You say which is the motion, which is the movement and which is the action. So what moves? Okay, what moves? What moves? First question, what moves? Second question, what is the action? What is the action? Second question, what is the action? What is the action? Do you understand? Okay. You said the player hit the ball with hockey stick. Okay. The move is player arm. Player arm. No. Ball arm. Yes, the ball is moved one place into another place. That is your movement. Yes or no? Very good. Then ball is moved one place into another place. Yes or no? Very good. The action. First example, action. Action. Hockey. Second action. First action. The hockey stick. Hit the ball with hockey stick. The action word is hitting. Okay, the action word is hitting. Say hitting spelling. H-I-T-T-I-N-G. Hitting. Okay, then move ball. This is your movement. Okay, this is your action. Hit. Okay, action is your hit. Hitting ball. We understand? Then second one is the second example. Boys are riding bicycle. Boys are riding bicycle. So bicycle is a movement. Okay, bicycle is a movement. Why? The bicycle move one place into another place. Yes or no? With peoples. Okay, this is the bicycle move one place into another place with helpers to people. Yes or no? Very good. So bicycle is movement or action. Very good. Movement. Okay. So what is moves means the bicycle is moving. Okay. The bicycle. Bicycle spelling B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. We understand? Very good. Then the action word. The action is very good. Riding. Okay. Riding is the action word. Okay. Now you understand? So what is mean by movement? So what is mean by the action? You understand? Very good. So riding is the action. So riding spelling R-I-D-I-N-G. Riding. So spelling riding R-I-D-I-N-G. Riding. Do you understand? I write the two examples. The player hit the balls with. Say what is move? Okay, the player hit the ball with hockey sticks. Okay, so the movement is ball. Okay, the ball is moved one place into another place. Yes or no? Very good. The next one, hit is yeah. So hit is yeah action word. Or you understand? The second one is the boys are riding bicycle. Bicycle is yeah movement. Okay, the bicycle is move one place into another place. The hitting means is. The hitting is yeah action word. Or understand? Very good. So next see the motion. Next see the motion. So what is mean by the motion? Huh? So what is mean by the motion? So the motion spelling already we learned. Huh? Motion spelling. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. Okay. So motion spelling. M-O-T-I-O-N. Motion. Definition of motion. Okay, it's a 2-mark question. So what is mean by motion? Okay, write the 2 times the motion spelling. When an object or a thing move from one place into another, it is said to be in motion. Shall I write? Listen, see the code. When an object, when an object or a thing move from so move spelling M-O-V-E, move spelling M-O-V-E, move. From spelling F-R-O-M, from. Move from one place. Place spelling P-L-A-C-E, place. One place to another. Two spelling T-O-2. Another spelling A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. Okay, another. It is said. It is said to be. It is said to be in motion. In spelling I-N-E, motion. M-O-T-I-O-N, motion. We understand? So what is mean by this motion? 2-mark question. When an object or a thing move from one place to another, it is said to be motion. The one place to another is a very important word. Okay, one place to another place. This word is very important. Okay, children. I hope you understand. So, what is mean by movement and what is mean by actions? Or you understand? Very good.